So basically, enough steel to do a frame is about $50. Well, depending on what kind of tube you get. I mean, to me, that's plenty thick. These are two backbones, and this is the parts that'll be bent. Like I said, I cut them a couple inches long just to make sure I had enough. 12-inch wheels. Even this piece here, 1/4 inch thick. I think it was 6 feet long. Was like $100. I had to notch the frame, which we did it, you know, professionally or whatever, I guess. You know, I put a piece of steel in there, you know what I mean, right here. Flat piece of steel, welded it all in, smoothed it all out. So I had to do that because I wanted to keep that straight spine. Okay, I just want a little different. The tire fits in there, everything fits in there just fine. It's just that, you know, 420 chain was super close, but 428 was way past, so I had to notch it. So today we're gonna get the chain squared up and try to get the brake set on. So if you look, my clearance for my brake disc is super tight. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. I just kind of make a piece of metal that fits in there and then get it to fit. So I mean, this is basically what we're looking at. These are 12-inch rims. I'm sure a lot of people are going to ask me. I did not go with 10s because I wanted this to be more like a mid bike, but lengthwise, it's like full-size bike. I just wanted it to sit more comfortable, but yet still be smaller wheels and tires. So this is like basically a Grom on crack. And we're going to put these same tires that people put on the Groms, 12-inch white wall, on there like that. See? On the fence about that frickin' seat. I just don't like the way Springer seats look in relation to the fender. I'd almost rather build like a little seat that puts your butt right there in that crook. I mean, it definitely performance-wise is going to be way better, soaking up bumps and stuff. Hopefully, this works out. I had everything good to go, except China happened right there. Frickin' China. Sorry, it's my day off. Hopefully I look pretty enough for everybody. I know I'm a pretty damn good looking guy. But some of you are probably haters, just saying. Don't be hating on me because I'm pretty. This is why I like doing bearings, because you can tighten it right down and it's still buttery smooth. That's nice and tight there. It's so hard to see. So I'm going to go into some depth here about the way I mounted this motor. I mean, it comes with this plate to mount, okay? So I just bought a little longer bolt to go through here. I welded 2 sides to a plate, and then I drilled 2 holes in the bottom. I did all this before I mounted it to the plate. So I actually tacked it on when I had the laser straightening up the chains. I got everything squared up and clamped, then bzz, bzz, tacked it on there, so I'm already lined up beautifully. This motor is not going anywhere, okay? I don't know why anybody makes these huge big mounts for everything. All you need is a little tab here with a couple of holes there. It's the wrong way. Son of a bitch. We got our hall wires switched, the yellow and blue. So we've got yellow to blue and blue to yellow. Then we switched the U and V wire on the controller. So that U is the green wire, V is the blue wire, and W is the yellow. So, again, let's pray. Oh, there she is. I'm going to break in a little bit. All chain noise. That sucker chain is huge. So there's a little drag on the brake pad until she gets worn in. was expected. We'll turn her on. Should break her in a little bit. Here's the stop. Here's the stop just fine. All right. Wow. I might do a double fat tire one next. I don't know. Because, you know, like two of the big fat tires.
Yeah.
Just make it like kind of like that Batman bike, you know?
Oh, okay.
And I got a new Predator. I might make that one gas. I don't know. I got a couple gas ones too. I got one drag one that's real fast.
Real
so, yeah. They're all on the website thing.
I'll check out.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, Tim.
Yeah, you too, man.
Take care.
You too.
Have fun.